Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a useful way to connect your computer with a mobile hotspot. So if you want to share your internet from your phone, for example a 4G mobile internet, you want to use it on your PC, it's very easy to do, but keep in mind that not all the computers have the actual Wi-Fi adapter installed in them. So if you want to connect to your mobile phone's mobile hotspot, you need to have a Wi-Fi adapter, and all of the laptops have it. But if you have a desktop PC, you have to have actually a dedicated special motherboard that has the Wi-Fi adapter in it. Just keep that in mind. I do happen to have bought a Wi-Fi adapter, so I do have it. So I'm going to show you how to connect to a hotspot very quickly. So first of all, you want to set up your hotspot on your phone. I'm not going to show you how to do that, so let me just set up my hotspot on my phone real quick. Okay, so the hotspot on my phone is now set up and ready. Alright, so now to connect to this hotspot, you just need to go to your taskbar and just click on this internet button. And as you can see, I have my mobile hotspot created here with a particular name. So basically what you have here is a signal strength. As you can see, there are these lines here. This means how strong the signal is and how close you are to that mobile hotspot. But provided if you're located in the same room or a house where you're sharing your internet with your phone, you should be having no issues whatsoever because it's just very close. And just click on here. You can also select to connect automatically and then just press connect. And as you can see, I am now connected, and there's a certain Wi-Fi button appeared in my settings of my internet networks, and now you're ready to go, and you can use your mobile hotspot on your phone and use your phone's internet on your PC. And that's it guys, very easy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.